In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or show the pivot table editor in Google Sheets. If you've been working with pivot tables, you know they are an indispensable tool for analyzing and summarizing large data sets. But what happens when the editor you need suddenly seems to disappear? Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through making the pivot table editor visible again, so you can get back to customizing and refining your data. Let's start with what should happen under normal circumstances when you want to edit your pivot table. Imagine you have a pivot table ready and displayed in your Google Sheets. To make edits, simply hover your mouse over the table. You'll notice in the bottom left corner a pencil or pen icon appears. This icon is your gateway to making changes. Click on it and then select Edit. Voila! The pivot table. Editor panel reveals itself on the right-hand side, allowing you to tweak your rows, columns, values, and more to your heart's content. But what if the controls seem to have vanished? This is typically the result of accidentally closing the editor. You might have clicked the X button on the upper right corner of the editor panel without realizing that you also removed essential controls along with it. Suddenly, it seems like you can't make any more edits or adjustments to your pivot table. This can be frustrating, but fear not. There's a simple solution. To bring back the pivot table editor, all you need to do is right-click anywhere within the pivot table sheet. Once you've done that, look for an option that says Show All Controls. Select it. Instantly, the pen icon will reappear when you hover over the table. This is your cue that you can now access the pivot table editor once again. Doing this resets the viewpoint, reinstating immediate access to your editing tools. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can ensure the pivot table editor in Google Sheets is always at your disposal when you need to refine your data insights. Remember, the power of pivot tables lies in their ability to provide flexible, detailed analytics, so having your editor easily accessible is crucial for making the most out of your data analysis tasks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps keep your workflow smooth and efficient. If you found this guide useful, make sure to leave a comment below and let us know how you're using pivot tables in your projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering Google Sheets and other data tools. See you in the next video.